In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a drop shadow text effect inside of Canva. So you can see here, we've got some text. We've also got the drop shadow. So here's how you would do it. So what you need to do is go to your text tool and create some text. So I'm going to click on heading and we'll just type in relax and we'll move this to the top here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on it, highlight it, and we'll change the color to white. And then from here, we can click on the text. We can go to effects and that will open up this window where the effect that I used in the intro was shadow, but you can also choose lift as well. Once you select your shadow effect, you probably need to change the color. So click on this color palette and then I'm going to change it to black. You can then increase and decrease these sliders. You've got the offset, which is like the distance. You've got the direction of the shadow as well as if it's blurred or not. And then obviously your transparency as well. But that's pretty much it. That's how you can create a drop shadow on some text. I hope that video did help you out.